Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to attach the stand to your PlayStation 5 so you can go ahead and put it in the horizontal or the vertical orientation. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So you just got your PlayStation 5 and you open up the case and it came with this stand. How would you go ahead and attach this to your PlayStation 5? Well, it's very easy to do. The first thing you need to know about is the different orientations on the stand itself. Now you can switch it around just like this, and this will be for the vertical fashion when both of these are aligned. Then when you turn the stand like this, this will be for the horizontal orientation on your PlayStation 5. So first I'm going to show you how to set up the stand and attach it in the horizontal orientation. So now that we have this offset, we have to go to the PlayStation 5 itself and figure out which side is the top and which side is the bottom. So the quickest way to find out which side is the top, if you have the disc version, well, the disc drive will always be facing down. Now, if you have the disc-less version, you're going to see the PlayStation symbol on the top, or even some lettering right here that says Sony. This will be an indication that this is the top side. So now that we know which side is the top, let's turn around our PlayStation. Now on the back side here, we're going to see some symbols, the square, triangle, O, and X, and that is going to be where we place our stand itself. Now the stand has little side hooks here that we're going to attach to the square and the square. Now for me, I think it's easiest to attach it when you have your PlayStation in the vertical fashion. So I'm just going to flip it over so it's easier for you guys to see. So when I'm placing the stand on, I'm going to line it up with the square down here and the square up here and attach it and kind of clip it on, and it should snap on. And just press and hold it. Otherwise, just play with it a little bit and make sure when you place it on, it sticks to it and it doesn't fall off. So now that I have the stand on correctly, I'll turn it around and the stand won't fall down. Now let's place it on the horizontal orientation just like this. And if you do it correctly, you should have a small gap under your PlayStation 5 that will allow airflow and your entire PlayStation will be level. If you do have a weird offset angle to your PlayStation 5, that means you didn't put the stand on the offset orientation, you kept it in the vertical stance just like this. That will cause the offset orientation on your PlayStation. So let's put our PlayStation into the vertical stance now. Switch your stand around so it's upright just like this, and this little piece here is level with the two teeth. Now this is the bottom of the PlayStation 5. The first thing we will want to do is take this little circle out on the bottom here. You can just use your fingernails. It will come out real easy, and it will expose a place where you can screw something into it, which will be the stand. On the bottom of the stand, you will see a small screw just right here. Let's go ahead and take that out. Perfect. Now I'm going to put my PlayStation 5 upright like this, then take my stand and just attach it to the bottom here. Now it won't clip on, so it may fall off on you, but just let it rest there and the screw hole should be aligned. So take a small screwdriver and screw this in, just like this. So I'm going to use my fingers just to get it in. So if you don't have a screwdriver, you can pretty much get it in with your fingers. Then transition to using like a penny or something. So this is looking good. Now let's put our PlayStation 5 in the upright position. And there should be, once again, a small gap under your PlayStation 5, allowing airflow in and out. Now this small black circle that you took out before, you can actually place it back on the bottom of the stand right here and put it in this open hole. And it should just stay there. So you can always put it back on the bottom of your PlayStation 5 at any point in time. So those are the two different ways that you can orientate your PlayStation 5. If this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.